రిలాక్సింగ్ పెట్టాము. రండి పట్టాలి సార్ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసి చూడనా మార్నింగ్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేస్తాం. 13 వస్తాయి ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ టైంలో అరౌండ్ 12 ఎలా సార్ ఫ్రెండ్ గుడ్ గుడ్ హలో ఇస్తాం పేమెంట్ ఇప్పుడు పేపర్ మీకు అనుకోవచ్చు బాగా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్ అని షేక్ పెట్టప్పుడు okay I made you host.
Okay, Mish. Yeah, thank you. Everyone is joined, right? The computer is there. So you're practicing, guys, yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, Ankita, I think you had some doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm giving the access to host. You can show that one, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, share me your screen and you can do that one.
Hello.
Yeah, Ankita.
Yes. Yes, sir. My screen is visible.
Yes. Okay, 1 minute. So now you're seeing that the locked data, right?
Yes.
So what is the error means? Already someone using this field status variant. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So then what you're doing, we are waiting for until the person is going to close the system, right?
Okay.
So if you see the locked data, no need to wait until that time. Just click on oh no. Okay, take the new session. System. Go to the system. Create new session. Okay, go to SM12. SM12.
SM12.
Yes, enter. Okay, below you see the username, right?
Yes.
Remove the username. Enter. Okay, you see something, right? Client name, username. So select all. There is a 4 check boxes. Yes. Click on delete. Yes. Okay, close this one. Okay, now go to the same area. Go to the previous session. Already is open. See the below SAP login, right? You see the SAP login? Yes. Now go to the field. Say next. Yes. Guys, if you see same error, then if you see the logged entry, do the same thing. Okay. Okay. Now what you done here?
I don't get that how to create this FS.
Yeah, okay, fine. So you see the page tab, right? Fourth one. A page. Fourth one. Fourth option. Above. Top of that one.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. New
That
entries.
okay, that is the new. If you not see the new entries, then that is the new entry button.
Yes.
Okay, give me the 4 digits code. It is easy to remember. Give me a company code letter, first letter. Company code, first letter.
Yes. P.
Yeah. And as well, you can give me a PMI, your company code. Otherwise, you can give any code.
Okay. Can I use this?
Yes, you can. Anything you can use.
Okay. Uh,
Description. Description, nothing but field status variant for PAM.
FSV for
Give me a company code. It is easy to remember.
okay.
Okay,
Now enter.
enter. Enter.
Yes.
Yes, save it.
Uh,
Okay, select P002.
yes.
Double click on field status group. Left side, you see that field status group. Okay, you can create there.
Okay.
Okay, it's clear, right?
Yes.
Yes. And how about Pranati and Malika?
యెస్ సార్. యాక్చువల్‌గా నాకొక డౌట్ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు మనం సింగిల్ కంపెనీ కోడ్‌కి క్రియేట్ చేసాం కదా సార్ ఇప్పటి వరకి.
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు 2, 3 కంపెనీ కోడ్స్ ఉంటే చాట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్‌లో లైక్ ఇప్పుడు 2, 3 మనం కంపెనీ కోడే ఇస్తాం కదా చాట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్‌లో.
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు మల్టిపుల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి సార్ అక్కడ?
సో అప్పుడు మన గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ ఉంటుంది కదా.
ఓకే.
సో ఆ గ్రూప్ కంపెనీ కోడ్కి ఒక చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు మీరు. సో అది వాటికి అక్కడ చేస్తారు మీరు. అది తర్వాత చూద్దామండి ఒకసారి. ఫస్ట్ ఇది అయిపోయినాయండి.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే.
ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఇది మీరు అయిపోయింది ప్రాక్టీస్. జిఎల్ పోస్ట్ చేశారా?
హ్మ్.
పోస్టింగ్ అయిపోయింది జిఎల్.
అయిపోయింది సార్. చేశాను.
ఎనీ డౌట్స్?
నో.
ఓకే, హౌ అబౌట్ మల్లిక? హలో మల్లిక. హలో. హలో మల్లిక. If you're talking, we are unable to hear your voice. Okay, let me share my screen. Please confirm you're able to see or not. So we'll able to see.
యెస్ సార్.
Okay. Yesterday we seen the accounts payable. So guys, why we are doing these configurations? Hello?
టు
Can any,
పోస్ట్ ద ఎంట్రీస్.
to post the entries. And Ankita,
Yes, sir.
why we are doing these configurations? Okay, Malika. Okay, just put it in your mind, guys. Client is asking to us, right? Clients need to post the entries. Right, guys?
యెస్.
So in GL, client told me that they want some posting entry in the GL. We done that with GL. Okay, GL posted. Now client asked me that, Ravi, I want a I want to post the entry in SAP. Okay. Like whenever I purchased any material, whenever I purchased a material, okay. So what is the entry of purchase of material? Vendor to material, right? This is the entry, right, guys? Vendor to material, this is the entry. You want to post the entry in the SAP system. Okay, so where it coming? It's coming under payment side, right? The entry we have to post in the payment side. So what is the payment side? That's a accounts payable. Okay. So what are the things we have to do? We have to create a material GL and along with that vendor GL, right? Right, guys?
Yes.
So we have to create the two GLs. One is a vendor, one is a material.
Material.
Okay. So vendor payments in the way it going, right? It is going to profit and loss or balance sheet. Okay. In balance sheet, you see that there is liability side, sundry creditors, right? In liabilities, you see the sundry creditors. Who is the syndicator? Syndicator is nothing but all the vendors where we are doing the payments. To whom we are doing the payments, the person will comes under syndicators. To whom we are paying amount. Okay. Syndicate is nothing but to whom we are paying the amount. So those person is called syndicator. Syndicator in general terminology, in accounts terminology. But for example, if it is a 50 vendors, you are purchasing from 50 vendors, same materials, then all the vendors details it is displayed in the liabilities. You see the liabilities, all the vendors. I think everyone is on BCom and MBA field, right?
No, sir.
Right, you know, Ankita,
Yes, sir.
you're from BCom.
No, sir. I had done my BBA and then MBA.
Okay, do you have the commerce?
No, sir. My basic was in science.
Okay, Malika,
Yes, sir. I'm
you
become.
are okay. So you will you able to see the vendors in the balance sheet liability side?
Yes, sir.
How you will see the vendors names or syndicators,
Sundry creditors.
right? And Amrita, you are from BCom, right?
Yes, sir.
So you see the syndicators or vendors details, vendor person name.
Sundry creditors.
Sorry,
Sundry creditors only, not any.
syndicators.
Yeah.
Okay. So balance sheet is nothing but there is a four columns. Just I'm telling to Ankita, Pranati, and Malika, Amrita. Just to confirm this one. So there is a four columns, like assets. There is a two columns, assets and liabilities fields.
Yes.
Okay. In the liabilities side, you see the syndicators. So what is syndicator? To whom we are paying amount. Okay. When you purchased the material, whenever you purchase the material from ABC company, okay, you purchase the material from ABC company. So what is the accounting principle? Okay, just understand DR stands for debit. Okay, DR stands for debit. Just there is a few of types of principles. Those principles are going to confuse you. Just keep in your mind. Debit is a what? comes in? Credit. CR stands for credit.
What goes out?
What goes out? So now, whenever you purchase the material, so what is coming in? Ankita, Pranati?
Yes, sir.
So you purchased material, okay? Instead of material, just assume you purchased computers. Okay, you purchased computer. So what is coming inside into your business?
Asset.
Computer.
Asset, right? Computer is coming in.
Mm.
So instead of computer, we are taking the material. Okay. Instead of computer, I'm taking the material. So what is coming here? Material is coming in. Okay, material is going out. Material is coming in. And what is going out? Cash, right? Cash is going out. Okay, if see, this is the wrong statement. Okay, and there is one more call. There's a hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Student. Okay, in SAP, in accounts, there is a few accounting principles that we're calling as a golden principles. Okay, these golden principles are three types. One is a personal account, and who are not from BCom commerce background, just write down in this personal account, real account. Third one is a nominal account. Okay, there is a three types of accounts. Will you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
in the personal account, debit is a receiver. And they are called credit. Credit is nothing but give. And real account, debit, what comes in, credit, what goes out. Okay, then nominal account. Expenses and losses comes under debit, credit, income, and gains. So whatever the entries, all the entries will follow these accounting principles. Okay. So now when you purchase the material, so what is the debit? Debit is comes under what comes in, means what is coming in? Material is coming in. Okay. Material is coming in. What is a credit?
Cash.
Credit is the What going out? Cash is going out. Cash or bank. Okay, this is the entry you have to enter. But it is coming to at the time of the payment. Okay. Okay. So my customer told me that, Ravi, I want to enter this transaction. Whenever they purchase the material, I want to post the entry in the system. Okay. So then how to post? And this is the, okay, and it is comes under when you purchase the material. Okay, so you are not paid till now cash. Okay, what is the accounts payable when you purchase the laptop or when you purchase the washing machine, electronical devices? So with online purchase, what you do, directly paying the cash without receiving the material? No, right? So what you do, once you receive the material, you are paying the amount, right?
Yes, sir.
So here also same. So when you receive the material, it is coming in, but you're not paying here amount. Okay, you are not paying the amount. So what you're doing, you are just give the vendor name. Who is a vendor? ABC. Okay, we are not paying the amount here. So when you're paying, once you see the material, right? So then here, debit will be the second entry. It is in first invoice posting. We'll do that. Next, what even we were paying to the ABC company, we should do the debit, credit, cash. Okay, just assume a online process. Okay. Clear? Any doubts here? Hello?
వెండర్ అంటే మెటీరియల్ ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళ సార్?
Yes, yes. Material. To whom we are purchasing the material.
ఓకే.
Okay, here we are purchasing material from ABC company. I just assume we are purchasing the material from Wipro.
ఓకే.
Okay, we are purchasing the material from Wipro. So first time we are not directly paying cash to them, right? So what you do when purchase online purchase, what you do? You're directly paying the cash to them?
నో.
No, right? Ankita? Hello, Ankita?
Yes, sir.
So when you purchase the online material, okay, online product, you're directly paying the cash to them or what you do?
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat your question?
Okay, when you purchase the any product from the online,
From online. Okay.
okay, so you directly pay the cash or what you do? So once you receive the material only, you're paying the cash, right?
Yes.
So similarly, here we're not paying out, right? What goes out? Cash is not going out from here, from us, right? Debit is the material is coming in. So what is the second transaction? What is the credit transactions? So cash is not going out now. So then put it as a, what is a company? Wipro, right? We're purchasing from Wipro. Okay, Wipro is our vendor. So put it same here. Kate is the Wipro company. Okay. Now materials came to inside. Materials is delivered to you. Then what you're doing? Okay. Cash is going out, right? So material, you are giving the material to, material is a debit, Kate is a Wipro. Second one, so what you are doing, cash is going out, right? Cash. To whom you are paying? Wipro company. Wipro is a debit. So customer told me that, Ravi, I want this type of entry in the SAP. Then what I have to do? I have to prepare material ledger. I have to create the vendor, Wipro company, and I have to prepare the cash GL, 3 GLs I need. Clear? Any doubts here? Hello?
No, sir. No doubt.
Clear, right? About these two things. Clear,
Yes.
right? Any doubts here? Okay. So to post the entry, so we need to do some configurations in the SAP. So what is the configurations I have to do? First is the define account group. Okay. Yesterday already we discussed. I will show that in the system. SPRO, financial accounting new, accounts receivable and accounts payable, vendor accounts. Vendor means a person, accounts payable, master data, preparation for vendor master data, define accounts group with screen layout. So if we see anywhere as a screen layout, means screen layout contain required optional suppress fields. So what is the account group? So account group means type of the vendor. Okay, account means type of the vendors. For example, you're purchasing, your manufacturing computers. Okay, so you need the raw material of the computers. So what you're doing that? So you are going to the outside in the market. So just you are inquired from the different types of persons who is delivering the raw material of computer. So I need a hard disk. So the hard disk I'm getting the suppliers who is supplying here. A company supplying hard disk for me. B company supplying hard disk. C company supplying hard disk. Then I need monitor. Okay, who is supplying the monitor for me? D, E, F. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm making a one group, hard disk group. In this group, I'm going to create all the vendors. That is A vendor, B vendor, C vendor. Okay. Whenever I want to fetch, I want to take all the vendor details, all the report. So just I'm going to the hard disk group. I can get it all the vendor details. What are the payments is there? Okay. If you want go for individual, you can get the individual report. Okay. If you want to get a hard collaboration, okay, at a time the report, you can give the hard disk. Clear? Any doubts here? Hello?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Right? So this is a group I'm going to create in the different account groups. So new entries. So what is my account group? I'm going to account group. So I'm giving first my company code first letter. So hard disk already yesterday I created. Instead of hard disk, I am giving MH01 account group for MH hard disk for MAP company. Okay. And yesterday I shown that by the time of vendors creations, you see general data, address. In the address form, you see the four options. Means if you see anywhere screen layout, in the screen load means you see different of options. Suppress, required, optional entry, display. Okay. You can select as if you whatever that you require, you can select from here. Otherwise, just go back. It is at the time of address general data. You see in general data, there's address the communication address details. Okay. Then you see the company code, account management, save. This is for FI purpose. Company code, if it's company code, this is FI purpose. So FI vendor. If you want make changes anything, you can do here. So here I don't want to do any changes. Just I'm giving the account group and hard disk for IM map description and save it. Okay. Similarly, you can create n number of account groups. Clear? Any doubts here?
సార్ అది పోస్ట్ చేసామని అవుట్పుట్ ఎక్కడ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి?
ఏం పోస్ట్ అండి?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు సర్టైన్ గ్రూప్ చేశారు కదండి,
అవునండి,
అది పోస్ట్ చేశారు కదా.
క్రియేట్ చేశాను.
క్రియేట్ చేశారు.
ఓకే.
ఓకే, దాన్ని
డిఫైన్ లోకి సేమ్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసి పొజిషన్
ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ సేమ్ ఏమి ఇచ్చామో అక్కడ
సేమ్ అదే ఇచ్చేస్తే మనం తెలిసిపోతుంది ఇక్కడ.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే MH01 it is created.
ఓకే సార్.
Next, create number ranges.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు క్రియేట్ చేసింది జస్ట్ సింగిల్ ఐటెమ్‌కే కదా హార్డ్ డిస్క్ అనేది?
Yes, single item creation.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
So now here I am going to create the number range. Second step is a create number ranges for vendor accounts. Okay, see here these are vendor accounts. Okay, we are creating number range for vendors purpose. Okay, execute. Click on change intervals. Here you see that number of intervals is created. Right? We are not done anything here. We are not created anything, but if from all the things are coming here. How? But when you're going to the document number ranges, okay, where is the document number ranges? In the GL creation, right? You see the in GL creation. Right, Ankita?
Yes, sir.
You see the document number is created in the GL area. Okay, just I'm taking the essay document. Number range information. Just I'm showing for you understand. Change intervals. You see that's only few number ranges, but in this screen you seen the different type of number ranges. Okay. Let me show one more thing. Okay, can you check our SAP system is logged in your SAP system, sir? Your SAP systems are logged in or you log off the system? Hello? Okay.
సార్ లాగిన్ చేయలేదు సార్
Okay.
ప్రెసెంట్.
Okay. Instead of HFPL, I am taking one more company code. Okay, I am taking this IBM. Change it to it. Yes, only one number range, right? We are seeing the only one number ranges. Coming to the for HFPL, you see number of document number ranges. If you change the company codes, whenever it's changing the company codes, there's a different types of number ranges, right? Your observation doing observing this. Hello. Only Prati is looking or anyone?
Yes, sir, I am looking, but actually, from my side, there is no network issue, so your voice is not clear to me.
Okay, fine. So when I'm changing the company codes here, you see here you see only one number range, right? I'm going to change one more company code here, HFPL. You see the number of number ranges, but it's all the things are this number range is going to save on the company code for the document number ranges. But when you're creating this vendor accounts group, when you're creating this create number ranges, it's not depending on the company code. But when you're creating in the document number ranges, document number ranges, it's a depending on company code. Okay, but when you're creating the number ranges per vendor, it is not depending to any company code. Okay, so whoever the persons, if anyone using the SAP one going for practice, all the number ranges will be coming here. Okay, you see every number ranges here. Anyone can, any company code, any person can get the number ranges here. So there is a limit is extended. There is no limit for me, for us. Just assume there is no limit. So because they're used from 1 number to 10 nines, everything's filled up. Okay. So then what do we do? We have to create the vendor, right? Everything's filled up, but we have to create our vendor. So then what we are doing? So I'm taking the zeros, because zero means it is not posted. The person is not used this one. Okay, this is the one they are not used. This is the one they are not used. Got it? Got it?
నో సార్. యాక్చువల్‌గా అంటే జనరల్ లెడ్జర్‌లో మనమే 1-99 ఇస్తాం కదా అక్కడ.
Yes, that is for document number ranges. That is
Okay.
using for document number.
Document.
So
Ah.
where it is using document number ranges? In documenting posting. The document number ranges which is created for 01, that is using from here documenting posting purpose. But which we am
Okay.
I'm going to creating, this is one, this is for vendor creation purpose,
Okay.
not for document posting. Okay.
Okay.
So vendor creation purpose, anyone can use the screens.
Okay.
Okay, anyone create here. Okay, it is not
So
depend. It is
different numbers here.
yeah, it is not depending to the company code. Okay, this number ranges, create number ranges for vendor. It is not depending to the company code, but document number ranges. This is the document number range. It is depending to the company code. Okay, document types. It is dependent to the company code. So that's why you are seeing only few number ranges. Got it? Document number ranges is depending to the company code. Other create number ranges for vendor or customers, it's not depending to the company codes.
Sir, when
Yes.
we create document number, is it necessary to create it with the company related?
Yes, company code.
Okay.
That is the document using for poser document for your company code documents.
Means initial should be there.
Yes.
Okay.
But when you're coming to here in this vendor accounts, create number ranges, it is not depending to the company code. Okay, company code is not required here. So whoever creating the vendor accounts, everyone it's showing to every company codes. It's applicable to every company codes. So now I'm not able to create the number ranges. Let's see, try.
We can use direct numbers
Yes.
instead
Click.
of creating new one.
Yes. How to create? Click on the plus mark. Okay, see the free numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7 is not there. Okay, so I'm taking the 0, 7 and like the free numbers 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2 is of something. Okay, there is no free, just assume there is no free intervals. Otherwise, I'm giving something 1 lakh. Enter. So you're seeing the message. Enter intervals without overlapping means already it is used. Okay, already it is used. So then what to do? Utilize the number which is not posted. How can you see that the document is posted or not? Just see this status. 7 entries are posted. The document is posted. Vendor is created. Everyone is created. But if you see 0, it is not used. Okay, it is not used. Then what to do? Just utilize this number 07. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so here you can take this one. It is not that 0 means it is not used anyone. And this is EB. EB also it is not used. Okay, instead of creating, so you can utilize this one. So back. Yes. Back. So go to the second step is the create number just for vendor account group accounts. Third is the assign number ranges to the vendor account groups.
సార్ డిఫరెన్స్ నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు సార్ జనరల్ లెడ్జర్ కి అండ్ దీనికి.
Okay, general ledger in the general ledger document number ranges, it is used to post the document.
ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం.
Okay, this is the document. It is used to post the document. Okay, what are the number ranges created? You are created the document number ranges. It is used for, this is used for documenting posting purpose. Okay, this is the document posting purpose. And it is dependent to the company code.
ఇక్కడ ఏం మెన్షన్ చేయం కదా సార్ మనం కంపెనీ కోడ్
ఇస్తారండి. Number information. It is asking the company code. Okay, it is depend document number ranges. It's depending to your company code. That's why whenever you are given the company code, it's showing the whatever thing you are created.
ఓకే
ఓకే, మీకు క్రియేట్ చేసింది ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఆ కంపెనీ కోడ్లో మీరు ఏం క్రియేట్ చేసి అదే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, బట్ కమింగ్ టు దిస్ ఏరియా,
ఓకే
create number ranges for vendor accounts, not the document postings.
ఓకే
Okay, who is the vendor? Whom we are purchasing the material, right? From where we are purchasing the material, that is a vendor.
yes
For vendor creation purpose, we are using these number ranges.
ఓకే
I will show that one. Okay, so it is not depending to the company code.
కంపెనీ కోడ్ ఓకే
Okay, it is not depending to company code. Any company those who want to create the number ranges, any company code persons, even for example, Ankita, Pranati, Amruta, Malika, you have maintained different company codes. Okay, you're creating 4 members are creating 4 different company codes. But 4 members, what are the number ranges you created in this area? Everyone can utilize that one. If Ankita want to use this number, she can use this number. If for example, you have created the EB. Okay, you have created the EB, but you are not utilized. But Ankita, if you want Ankita can utilize this one.
ఓకే
Okay, for Ankita company code, she can utilize this one. Or Amrita company code, she can utilize this one. Even though if you're created. Okay.
ఓకే
Even though
జనరల్ లెడ్జర్ అయితే ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ కంపెనీ కోడే యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడైతే ఎంతమంది అయినా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
use చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay.
Okay.
So, but it should be the 0. Okay, because there is nothing should be posted there. It is not post anything, right? No one use this one. 0 means no one utilize this one. Okay, you can utilize this one, but it is not accepted. If it is all a document is posted, this means vendor is created. It is not usable. Okay, those you see the zeros, it is usable, but it is in the practice sessions. When you're working in the real-time scenarios, you don't feel these things. You don't see this type of things. Okay, when you're working in real-time scenarios, it will not comes like that.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఎన్ఆర్ స్టేటస్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్ట్ అయిన వాళ్ళవా సార్ ఇవి?
Yes, already vendor created.
ఓకే.
Okay, already is created when it is utilized used. Okay, you can take the those which is not used.
ఓకే.
Okay, these are not used one. Back. So next, as a number and just
Sir, I didn't get anything what they are asking about.
okay.
Yes.
So she's asking what is the difference between document number ranges and vendor accounts. Okay.
Okay.
So document number ranges, whenever you create it, it is asking you the company code, right?
Yes.
For example, if your 4 members are created the 4 company codes, okay, you are created, for example, you created the IBM company, okay. For IBM company, you are created the number ranges 01. It is used for only for your company purpose.
Yes.
Okay, Ankita, it is can be used for only your company IBM company purpose. If Pranati or Amruta is those one these guys, if they want to use this one, it can't. System not accept because, for example, they are created the APP as company code. If they want to utilize the number range, it is system not accepted because it is created under your company code, right? IBM company code.
Yes.
Okay, this number range 01, it is created under the company code. If they want to use for their company codes, system doesn't accept. It is comes under document number ranges. Clear?
Yes. Means only the company itself can use their code. No one can use it.
Yes. Okay. Got it,
Okay.
right? Well,
Yeah.
coming to the here, create number ranges, vendor groups. This is the different. This is using for the vendor creation purpose. Okay, this is using for vendor creation purpose. So see here, system is not asking for me any company codes here. So anyone can utilize it. For example, Pranati is created EB, but she is not using. So you can utilize this one. Ankita, or Amruta, or Malik, anyone can use this one because she is not using, because it's not under dependent on company code. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
just when you're doing practice, you will understand.
In that case, in general ledger, generally we'll be giving 0 to 99, right?
Yes, 0 to 99, any one number you can utilize, create. So just practice, will understand that one.
Okay.
Okay. So now what I'm doing, I'm assigning because it is not used. Let me see something. EB it is not used. So I'm using for that my vendor. So as a number in just to vendor account groups. So what is the vendor account groups I created? It starts with M, right? This is the one, right? MS01 I created just now. Right? So I'm assigning here EB. Where did I got this number? We seen the account here, right? Create number, we seen that 0 is. Okay, fine. Let me show. Yes. Where's EB? Six, 7, 8, 2, 9, or 0. Yes, okay. No, just I changes the here. So now I can create the number range. So M1. So what is the next number? 1 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 8. 19. Enter. Save. I created here M1. Understood? Anyway, can I explain? Hello. Okay, I created the M1. So I'm assigning this M1 to my account number ranges. M1 which I created, I'm assigning here M1. Save it.
సో అక్కడ ఎవరు యూజ్ చేయని నంబర్ రేంజెస్ తీసుకొని అసైన్ చేయాలా సార్?
Yes. And here edited. I have edited here. So
ఓకే.
previously it is under 1 lakh, 10 lakh something and total lines, right? So nothing is posted. So I edited here. I given the up to the 9.
ఓకే.
Remaining I utilized. Okay, this is the one I utilized. So as a number just done. Okay, practice up to here today.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay,
ఎస్.
clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Practice, practice, practice. Then only you'll be perfect. Okay. And those who are working here, Ankita is working and Amrita is working, right?
Yes, sir.
Malika, are you working? Pranita, you are working?
నో సార్.
Okay, do one thing. Tomorrow, without seeing you can practice. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Then do one thing after that. And guys, if you have any time, so first see do the practice with seeing the notes like recordings. Second, do the without seeing that. Third step, what you have to do? Third way, that go to the document posting. Without creating company, without creating anything, that go to the document posting. Okay. So give me the document date. And give me the company code. That's a new company code. Okay, I'm giving that map. Okay, it is not created. And give me the company code INR. Press enter. Otherwise, just go to the GL account. Yeah, hello.
సార్ ఇక్కడ మనం కంపెనీ కోడ్ చేసాం కదండి సార్, ఇక్కడ ఇస్తాం కదండి సార్
Yes.
ఎంఏపి, అది ఆల్రెడీ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసినది తీసుకోవాలి కదండి సార్?
అంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇవ్వాలి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ టైం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు అండ్ సెకండ్ టైం చూడకుండా చేసేటప్పుడు ఇవ్వండి. థర్డ్ టైం don't create third step. First time do practice with seeing. Okay. Second time do practice without seeing. Once you're perfect, do practice without seeing the steps. Third time, okay, when you're confirmed your practice, then third time don't create anything. Okay, don't create anything. Directly come to the F-02. Just give me here new company code. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Give me this thing, press enter.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ అట్లే ఇంకోటి మనం చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం కదండి సార్.
Yes.
చేసిన తర్వాత చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ ని మనం అసైన్ చేస్తాం కదా కంపెనీకి సార్, లేదంటే కంపెనీ కోడ్ కి అసైన్ చేస్తాం?
Company code.
కంపెనీ కోడ్.
Company code. Okay. So press enter. Now system is asking that system giving the error. What is the error?
కంపెనీ కోడ్ నాట్ డిఫైన్డ్.
Company code is not different. So what is the error? Company code is not there. So directly go to the company code, create the company code.
ఓకే.
Okay. So let me do that one. So what is the message? Company code, right? Where will be company code? Here. So what is my company code? MAP. City is Hyderabad. country IN, currency INR, language IN, enter, save.
Sir, we have to create new company code.
Yeah, new company code.
So why, sir? We can't use old one.
You're practicing, right?
Yes.
So new company code utilize. Use the new company codes.
Okay.
The company code is created. Let's go to the document. Okay, press enter. So what is second message? No tolerance change entered for company code. Okay, it is a orange color. So means yellow color message. No need to worry. It's a warning message. Press enter. So what is the next error? Hello?
Posting date.
Posting paid is error. So then what do you do? Go to the posting paid area. So observe what I'm doing, okay? And also meanwhile observe. So I'm rectifying my errors. Okay? I'm rectifying the errors. Let's just financial aid posting periods. Posting period. So what is the message here? Posting period 001-2026 is not opened. Right, guys? So what is a 01? It is a 01. Means open and closing post period is not opened. Okay, data I'm going to open and closing posting periods. So new entries. So what is the system asking? The give me the variant. So variant I not created, right? System asking the variant. So variant I didn't create it. So back. Let's just posting periods. Define open and posting periods. New entries. MAP. PPV for. So I created the variant. Now open and closing posting periods. New entries. MAP plus from account 01 2026 12 2027, enter and save it. Now go to the document posting same area, enter. So showing the same error for me, just go back and come. Enter. Same message, it is not open. Means we have to do assignment.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Okay, so I'm rectifying the errors. So now it is done, right? Posting page is done. I'm not getting the error. So next, what is it? Number is missing. Okay.
Sir, hello.
Yes, Sankita.
So can you please repeat? Actually, the screen was disabled. Meeting was disconnected from my side.
Okay, so
Yeah.
since nothing but I'm rectifying the errors.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I didn't get anything till now. Directly I entered to the F-02. Okay, I created the new company here. I gave the new company here and system throwing the message company code is not there. So I created the company code. Then I am getting the errors from the posting periods. I created the posting periods. Now the third error is the in company code MAP, the number in 01 is missing. Okay. So now I'm going to rectify this error. So where it is that? It is in the document number range. Here, document types. Okay, give me a company code, MAP, intervals. So what is the message for me? 01, right? 01, 2026, 01 to 99. Enter, save. It is saved. Now go to the same area. Press enter. So now what is the message? Specify account number, right? Specify account number. Account number is nothing but this is the GL create. Okay, now directly go to the GL creation. Okay, company code map, right? So system asking to give me a GL number. So I'm going to create the GL. Click on create. GL account number 1 lakh. Okay. So what is the message?
Chart of accounts not defined.
So go to the chart of accounts, create the chart of accounts. So now what I'm doing, I'm rectifying one by one, right? Are you able to following, right? I'm rectifying the errors. I'm not doing configurations, rectifying the errors. So what is the difference between configuration and rectifying? Hello? What is the difference configurations and rectify? Configuration first we are doing everything, but rectifying after completion of the configurations, if the client facing any errors, we are rectifying those errors. Okay. Before delivering to client, we are doing the configurations. GLN 06, enter, save it. Create 1 lakh. So again, same thing because we have to assign to company code to chart of accounts. Create 1 lakh, enter. So what is the message? Just go back and come. Create. So what is the next message? Account groups are not defined as chart of accounts. So go to there. So instead of copying, instead of creating, just I'm copying by that. So I'm copying here. Select all. Click on copy as. Change the chart of accounts. It's done. And save it. Create 1 lakh. What is the next message? Profit and loss account. That's a retained earnings account. Retained earnings account. Chart of accounts is the map. X 1 lakh 200 something. Give anything. Enter. Create. Company code is not assigned to field status variant. So now go to the field status variant. Financial accounting, ledgers, field status variant. So just I'm copying my previous one. MAP, instead of creating, just I'm copying. Copy as MAP. Already existed. MAP1, I'm giving that. Copy all. 4 entries are copied. Create. 1 lakh. Enter. So assignment is missed. Assign company code to field status variant. Map MAP1. Create. Right now system is allowing me create the GL. So like this you have to do third step. Okay, do the first of all do the configuration with the seeing the notes or with the recordings, and after that once you're perfect, there is no errors, then do the without seeing by heart the steps or write down the steps in your notes, and second time they do without seeing, and third once you're perfect then come down to the direct document posting, rectify the errors and do the configuration simultaneously. Then you'll be perfect on GL also. So where it is will be used? Is it necessary? Right? Your question maybe if you have any doubts, then your question is that, sir, is that necessary third step without seeing the company code to rectifying? Yes, it is important because whenever you're going for interviews, they will ask you the what are the recent tickets you faced, what are the errors you resolved. At that time, you can tell to them, this is the errors, I got it. Okay, this is a practice for you for whenever going for interviews. Okay. Clear? Any doubts? Right. Thank you. Hello? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Clear,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you.